to get my money. Oh, all I see is signs. All I see is dollar signs.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It feels like I haven't talked to you guys, or as if I haven't posted in forever. I have, but the point is I haven't like sat down and talked to you guys like a one-on-one like this in forever. I'm going to be showing you guys really quick on the stuff I got over in the past like couple weeks, days, and all of that. I'm just gonna jump into it. On the very first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this shirt, and it's from Agassi, and it kind of reminds me of the shirt that Kylie Jenner had. The only thing is that this one costed me like $9 with tax and everything, $10. So hello. And yeah, I like the sleeve. There's been other shirts like the one I'm gonna show you guys next that's not from Agassi. This one is from Papaya, and I have worn this shirt already. I even posted a picture on my Instagram wearing this shirt, so if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. That way y'all be seeing a little bit more outfits. Yeah, and plus my outfits are very affordable. Like this shirt was also $13, I believe, but I prefer the sleeves like this. This literally kind of looks the same thing, but the only thing is that this one's a little bit longer, and the sleeves, they're not like separate from the shirt in a way. So it kind of, if you wear it for like good like more than 4 hours, it will start hurting your shoulders because the elastic, it's like kind of tight. Like, you know, can you all see this? And then imagine like if you all kind of wear it down, it kind of does stretches. Nike, let's go to Nike. These shoes are size 6.5. and they're on sale for $69.99. They were originally $120, I believe. They were $120. They were lowered to $69.99. So these shoes, I basically just got these, one, because they're cute, and two, they remind me of my black Nikes that I wore like my freshman year. And I still have them, by the way, but they're so worn out and they're like ugly. I decided to upgrade and get some new ones after like 5 years. I wore them like once already actually, and I ran with them, and that's it. I haven't used them yet. I got a sports bra because I don't know, I have a lot of sports bras. I like sports bras even though I wear shirts on top of sports bras because I'm not like super comfortable wearing just a sports bra alone. Maybe later on I will, but not right now. I thought this one was really cute. It says just do it, and then in the back you can see the hot pink. I also got a pair of Nike like leggings, capri leggings. They're actually dirty because I did wear those like the very like first day that I bought them. I couldn't like wait to wear them, so they are dirty. They're in the dirty pile, and I do not want to, you know, take them out to show you guys. Yeah, let's go to Forever 21. Next thing I got are these pretty like maroon leggings. They're like one of my favorite leggings. I love wearing workout clothes, and they're high-waisted. I love high-waisted stuff, and they're also capri. I don't like long leggings like all the way to the ankle because I feel like it looks weird. Like I feel like my foot looks huge. Is that just me? Is that just me, or do you all feel like that too? So I always get my leggings capri, and if I have them long, it's because I didn't have anything to wear. Also in Forever 21 I got these grayish capris as well. These are kind of high-waisted a little bit, but not as much as these. I feel like these are a little bit more high-waisted and tight. Like these are tight. Like when I got them I was like, Lord Jesus. And they have this little cute little pattern in the corner. Also, I bought this sports bra. The main reason I got this is because of the glitter, the pink glitter. And the funny thing is, it doesn't show it because I put a white t-shirt on top of it. And then to, you know, kind of complete that outfit, I bought this like rain jacket. I think that's what it's called. Also Forever 21. Most of this haul is Forever 21. Just letting you all know, warning you. If you all see a little bit dirty, it's because it needs to be washed. It's just a white basic kind of crop top t-shirt. Also in Forever 21 I got this shirt, which I did show you all in Instagram, so I'm pretty sure you all saw this shirt already if y'all follow me there, because in here it kind of looks kind of weird, but it's just this white button up, but it comes with the like knot. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the last thing from Forever 21. It's this cute jean shirt, which by the way, I've been wanting to buy a jean shirt and for like a long time, like forever. I'm really bad at showing clothes, you guys. I'm sorry, I don't do hauls very often. But it's just this blue jean shirt. Okay, the next few items that I'm going to show you all, which is from Guess and from Bear Bradley, and it's kind of squished because I squished it, I'm sorry, in my closet. But these things are from my boyfriend Danny. He got me these items. He was so cute. Like, he went to work and he works, no, I'm not gonna say where he works, but during break he bought me this stuff. So I thought that was really cute and nice of him, like using his break to shop for me. So he got me this Express shirt. It's like a dress-up-y shirt. Just dress-up-y. What? Like a classy, more put together type of clothes. It's not a crop top or anything, you know. It's flowy and it's very nice. The back is very pretty. It is kind of wrinkly because it's been in this bag for a couple days. So yes, from Guess, he got me this. It's a very, very pretty shirt, and so obviously it's tight, and I think I did show this in my outfits of the week video, which I don't know if I'm gonna put that first or this video first, but that video is ready to go. So yeah, Danny also got me a Bradley bag, this makeup bag slash folded wristlet from Bear Bradley. And the reason why he got me this is because I have the little backpack of this pattern, which I don't even know the pattern. Oh, in classic navy. Yeah, and it's very nice, a bag. You open it like this, so it kind of works like a wallet. Look, you have some space. I don't know if y'all can see. You have some space to put cards in here, and then you have a big pocket to put whatever you want in there. Then if you close it, you have a big space to put the stuff in here. Since forever I wanted a jean jacket, and I finally got one. And I'm not sure if this store is local or something. I'll try to find it for you all if y'all are interested in this jean jacket. But I see it's like kind of like basic. Like, you can literally find this jean jacket anywhere. Kind of baggy, which I kind of liked because most of the time I want to wear it. I want to wear it like this, not actually on, if that makes sense. Okay, so next I'm going to show you guys a couple things that I got at Agassi. I love this shirt. Like, I can't even, like, I love this shirt. It's nothing like I've ever seen in a way. I don't have anything like this. It's so pretty. It has flowers like all the way down. Yeah, it was 18 and they lowered it to like 15 or something like that. Y'all see? The next shirt I got, it's kind of like a big baggy shirt and it is wrinkled. I'm sorry about that. I kept it in the bag for you all, like that way I won't lose it. It's just this long and a little bit baggy. I kind of want to wear it like maybe with some jeans. Maybe one day that I'm lazy and I don't really want to match with anything, I could wear this with leggings, or just wear it with jeans and then tie it up, you know, that way it won't be baggy. And this shirt was $4.99, so I think this was like a very, very good deal. And the next thing I got at Agassi was this kind of like a fancy type of shirt. Pretty shirt, very different. It kind of just hangs down, and it's kind of loose on top, and then it goes tight in the bottom, and the back goes really, really low, so it's kind of like sexy. It shows a lot of back. And this shirt was also on sale for $10, you guys. Yes. Okay, also in Agassi I got this kind of like the same type of shirt as this one. You know, I've been really into these types of shirts, and it was $4.90. Green, very, very pretty green, like summer. I like this, and the sleeves are also like this. It goes a little bit lower. It's not the same as this one, but yes, I really, really like this. The last thing I got at Agassi are these heels. I've been wanting to get some heels, and like new heels in forever, and are these black high heels. They're not that high, like now that I look at them. Like at first I was like, oh my god, but you guys, you all need to understand, I don't wear heels every day, and like I barely want to wear them like on special events because yeah, yeah. And there were, I think they were, how much were they? There were 27 with 90 cents. So in the end, it was like around $30. So, but the pants is high-waisted and it's very pretty. Like it kind of fits like a fancy skinny jean pants. I haven't found anything like this in like where I live, with the matching shirt. So I really like this outfit. I was sad / mad that I didn't fully like want to keep it. Okay, so the next things are from Pacsun. I got these little cute tube tops, and I've been really into like tube tops and like shirts like these and all of that for like spring. These shirts were $12 and like almost like $13, and I got it in the color pink, also in black. Ooh, in black. The next thing I got, it was also a Papaya. It was these sweats, and they're red and they have a blue line. Also, I know like white sweats in the spring, but you know, there's some days where it's a little bit chilly. I could wear this, and to balance it out, I can wear like a white crop top, which I'll put right here. That white crop top, I actually bought it with this. Actually, like I bought the outfit together. That shirt was $4 and something cents, so like around $5. And it was also a Papaya, if y'all are wondering. And it's just a white like simple crop top with like the only thing is that hat lines right here. And I believe this is the last thing. These are the shoes that my boyfriend and I decided to match. These are Vans, and we did use them already because, you know, we couldn't wait to match. But we both got blue Vans. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Also, make sure to follow me and my social media. That way, I actually ask you all questions like what type of videos that you all want to see, or if you all want to see a haul video or a outfit of the week video first, and all of that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
And I still got my money.